Oh, that one was dry. I'm gonna do that one over again. Nope. That one was hell dry. Thank you for all the gifts, the love, the follows. Thank you for the heart meat. Oh no, the heart puff. The heart puff. Thank you for following, Miss Love. Yeah, it's Tidy Bowl. I love Tidy Bowl. It was a pink overload, and it turned into a blue. Thank you guys for tapping. How's your book going?
Good.
Going? Can you check for the puzzle number?
Yeah.
Thank you. I feel like I need to put it this way. So I could do this forever. That's so good. Baby, can you get me a cup of ice again?
Yeah.
Please. Do you know you have... Oh, crazy! Thank you guys for following. I'm really amazed with how many people follow me now. My freaking brother coughing. That's so funny. No, I'm really happy. Hi! How are you doing, love? Just playing with this now. Make it to another 10K likes, so 50K. Add a can. Thank you for the heart meat. Thank you, thank you. $2 for what? Just wondering. Do you guys add ice to your combos? Because it helps. Like if you're wanting like something like, you know, different. It helps. Feels good. Relationship? Hey, 2 months. 2 months? Honestly, it goes by fast. Love scary movies. Oh, I get it. I love scary movies. I could sleep through scary movies though, but I'm different. I'm different. Thank you, Bubbies.
Go
What was I doing? Yeah. What's your guys' scary favorite? What's your guys' favorite scary movie? Mine is Scream and Insidious. Those are my two favorite. I was gonna do something else too. What was I going to do? I don't know. Ice. I want to know everybody's scary movie. Tell me. Oh, that feels so good. Once we get to 50K likes, I'll add more powder. I promise. I'm glad you're loving it. It feels really good on my hands. Who was the one that suggested ice? Because I love you. The ice was such a good suggestion. Oh no, that's okay. Then what's your favorite movie? Just what's your favorite movie? Do you have Foca? I do not. I just sold my Foca. But I have Roma and then Roma for $1. And then I have this 1, 2, 3 for $4. Last House on the Left. I love that movie too. If you love ice in a combo, do a water rinse. Those are so good. Ooh, see the thing is, I live with my family, so I can't go in the kitchen. But one day I'm gonna do a live in the kitchen. The Romas are tiny. Can you show the Roma, my love? The Romas are tiny. That's why they're $1. Oh my goodness. That's a Roma. It's tiny. It's a little tiny one. I know that the prices. But that's how much I've done before. Oh, I know what scene you're talking about. I don't like that scene either. It's so sad. That scene is so sad. I get it. The House on the Left. That one scene.
Huh?
The House on the Left. Have you ever seen that movie?
Oh, Lisa.
Oh, okay. Sending now. Where are you sending it? Each point dinner. Is it a good price? I went to the Mexican store today and well, not Mexican store. I went to a liquor store and that's what they had. Smoke shop. They had Mexican products there.
It's technically not everything shop.
Yeah. Wednesday, I freaking loved it. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because I don't really like the actor. Because she's kind of like, I don't know, she's different. But I really loved it. Cash App? Okay. I'm sorry, Milo. Can you open a Roma for me? And then how did you want it? Your Roma. Oh, the ice mix is so all inclusive. The ice makes it feel so nice.